Hey friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And today's video I'm going to show how to make Sardine Ambot. Tarleamchem Ambot. So I've taken sardine, which is like 20 pieces. These are medium size. Once you get it, you clean them, wash it, and apply salt. That is what I basically did, and set it aside for at least half an hour. So let's start with the next process now. Now our next process is to make the paste, ambot paste. So what we need is I've taken 8 Kashmiri red chillies, garlic clove 8, ginger 1 inch, then cinnamon stick 1 inch, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, 5 of cloves, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, half a teaspoon of cumin, whole cumin. Now 1 tablespoon vinegar, toddy vinegar I'm using, and by adding sufficient amount of water to make a fine paste. So once the pan is hot, add oil, add onion and saute it for a while. Once onion is sauté, add tomato, 1 medium size chopped tomato. Let it cook for a while. Add green chili 1, mix it well so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. Guys, check this out. After cooking onion tomato for at least 3-4 minutes, after adding tomato, check this, tomatoes are already like mashy. At this time you have to add puree, the paste which we made. I'm going to add water to the jar. Let's pass some water. Now keep the right consistency. Check this, this is very thick. Check the water. I will require a little bit more. Now let this simmer. Check this one. Check the consistency. Now let this simmer for a while, at least 5 minutes. Now I've taken tamarind. What you basically need to do is it's the size of a lemon. You have to put hot water and keep it to soak for at least 20 minutes, and then you have to make pulp out of it. That's what I did. Add also sugar, half a teaspoon, and salt is to taste. But remember guys, we have already applied salt to sardine. This is just for the gravy. Mix it well. Now check this out, this gravy is almost about to simmer, start to boil. Guys, check this, this has been simmering. Now I'm going to add, check the consistency, not too thin and not too thick also. Now I will add sardine. Now taking a cloth, mix it nicely. Just stir it. And let this be on a slow range and let it simmer for a while, for at least 8 minutes. Guys, check this. This after simmering 8 minutes, check the consistency. This is how it should be. Now this is ready. I'm going to turn off the flame, and this is ready to be served. Check this. These are very delicious. This is how you can make ambot tik. Check this out.
Thank you friends for staying till the end. Please do like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that every time we upload a new video, you will get notified.